Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create quick links on your footer on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is go over into our site and start editing the site. Now, as you can see, I just have an empty page over here, which doesn't even have a footer, and I'm going to add it in just a second. Once this loads up, let me just delete this quiz embed, and what we're going to do is click on the block inserter and search for the footer, which is going to give us the footer right over here. And now we have the footer where we want it. Now that we have that, as you can see, it already has some quick links in it. So I'm just going to delete them if I can. And it's just deleting text, so I'm not going to bother with it. I'm just going to go ahead and add a textual paragraph right over here. Now that we have our paragraph, what we're going to do is we're going to add some text. And let's say this is a quick link. Now we have our text. Now that we have it, we can select it and we can go over and whoops, I'm not sure why this is happening. WordPress is glitching out way too much for me these past few days. But yeah, just go into quick links or select the text that you want and click on link over here. And then you can just / and add the page on your site that you want. So for example, about could be a quick link. So you can create that page if you want, or I'll just add the about page like so. And now we have our quick link. What you can also do is I'll just make another one and you can paste any full link that you would like onto that text. So let's go over here and just type the URL and link it. And now we have our link over here. Now this wasn't linked perfectly, so let's check the about page. And now we have our quick links. As you can see, they are underlined, meaning they can be clicked on to take you to different pages and different sections of your site. And that is basically what quick links are. They need to be either on your homepage or in your footer so that people can quickly access different parts of your website. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.